In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if the VLC Media Player is not working properly or opening on your Windows device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, search for settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel now, select apps. And then on the right side, select where it says installed apps. You want to search for VLC. Best result, you come back with a VLC Media Player. Select the three-dot icon next to it, and then select Uninstall. Select Uninstall again, and then select Yes. Select Next. And then do not delete preferences and cache. You can keep that alone. You don't have to mess with those settings. Just select Uninstall and give that a moment. And once that's done, select Finish. You can close out of here. Open up a web browser, and into Google, you want to search for VLC Media Player. Videoland.org. Go ahead and open that up. And then select the Download VLC button on this page. Give it a moment to begin. Shouldn't take very long here. And then once it's on your system, go ahead and open up that file. It should be a verified publisher, Videoland. Select Yes to proceed. Select your appropriate language, and then follow through with the on-screen prompts here. Select Next, and then select Install. And then you can go ahead and run the VLC Media Player, select Finish, and that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.